हाउ टू मेक समवन बिलीव यू, कि आप जो बोलना चाहते हैं सामने वाला आपकी बात माने, समझे, आप पे भरोसा करे। अच्छा, कभी आपने ये सुना है कि कहीं सुनी बातों पे भरोसा नहीं मत करो? यस, हम हमेशा ये कहते हैं कि जो तुमने सुना क्या तुमने देखा भी? यस, व्हाट डज इट मीन? You know, we humans, we have 5 senses. Now, these senses are eyes, that is sight, what you actually see. Second is ears, what you actually hear. Third is your nose, smell. Fourth is tongue, the taste. Fifth is your skin, that is the touch. Now, if you want someone should believe you, there's a simple formula. If you want someone should believe you, someone should conceive you, the idea what you want to present, what you just simply need to do is activate as many as senses you can out of these 5. And if you are able to comfortably do it, you just made it. There is no other option than believing you. Right? So if you have any queries regarding your business, your relationship, human resource, strategies, sales, get in touch with us on the number given below, or you can write in the comment box and we will get in touch with you. Thank you so much.